sensors. This is the finishing mill line, a symphony of power where the steel is compressed with extreme precision. It takes a
Scale removed, looks good now.
Flatness variance is within tolerance.
Noted, updating the record.
And incins. After the roughing mill, the glowing steel enters the edge cropping station. Rotating shears trim the width.
This is the finishing mill line, a symphony of power where the steel is compressed with extreme precision. It takes a
The thermal profile across the width looks stable. Cooling rates confirmed. We are cleared for the next stage.
Check the displays. We are approaching target speed.
Looks good from here. Maintain tension.
Sensor array delta reading is high on the inner edge.
Initiating hydraulic correction sequence. See the guide plates engaging.
50 tons confirmed. Proceed with the cutoff sequence.
Roger that. Initiating cutoff.
The automated wrapping station applies protective steel and polymer layers around the massive 50-ton coil.
Scan complete.
Everything matches the manifest.
Confirmed. Bay 37, you are cleared for transport.
Confirming the route for the 50-ton coils to Gujarat.
Route confirmed. ETA updated on the main board.
Let's monitor the weather approaching the Suez.
Railcar 34 is secure.
Roger that. Clear to move the crane.
Watch your spacing, lowering now.
Coil secure, coming up slow.
Roger that. Keep it steady.
We can fit the Miller order into the Tuesday slot.
Okay, confirming the 50-ton allocation now.
We can fit the Miller order into the Tuesday slot.
Okay, confirming the 50-ton allocation now. Okay, clear to lift. Take it up slow. Roger that. Watch the alignment as it comes up.
Steady descent, watching the alignment. Clear on this side, take it down slow. Perfect, set it right there.
That binder is secure, Supervisor.
And the torque check is complete on this side.
Verified. All restraints confirmed.
Clear of the trailer, traverse to the right towards Bay 4.
Clear to lower the final meter.
Setting now.
Alignment is good. Paperwork confirmed. All parameters green. Approved for release.
Okay, bring it left slowly.
Coming left. Watch the guide tables.
Looks good from here. Keep coming.
The multi-roll leveling machine ensures the hot-rolled steel achieves the precise flatness required for structural applications.
We need to ensure the reheat furnace temperature is stabilized before we feed the slab.
It's holding steady at 1200 degrees Celsius. We are ready for production.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on section 7.
Looks good from here. Secure the bolts.
Did you get the chains secured on your end?
Yeah, they're good. Watch the crane swing.
Flange thickness is reading 25 millimeters.
Alignment confirms straightness across the section.
Noted. The surface finish is acceptable.
Pressure is increasing steadily towards the target.
Displacement sensors holding at 2 millimeters.
Beginning the release sequence now.
Manifest confirms destination G. Thumbs up for Tango 4.
Copy that. Moving the coil now.
These hot-rolled coils provided the strength we needed for the main span.
And the finishing looks excellent, Supervisor.
Vibration metrics remained well within tolerance levels.
Confirmed. All systems are stable.
Look at the coating on that main beam. Still perfect after 10 years.
Remarkable durability.
The thermal expansion is minimal.
Confirmed. The alloy is holding strong.
The long-term projections look solid.
Yes, the stability indicators confirm the 50 years service life.
By optimizing the EAF input, we significantly reduce waste.
What about the slag reuse metrics here?
That's exactly where the closed loop initiates.
Crane operators, lift synchronized. We have a clear path to the East Bay. All ground personnel confirm positions are secure.
All clear. Go ahead, driver.
Here, the recovered steel begins its journey anew, charged into the furnace for remelting. The circular steel economy in action, transforming raw materials and recycled scrap into 50-ton coils for the future.
Pay close attention to these temperature curves during the rolling phase.
This directly impacts the grain structure you see in the final coil here.
The roll force reading on the final pass is spiking slightly above the threshold.
Look at the consistency improvements since the AI integration.
Remarkable. The energy curves are holding steady even with the increased throughput.
As you can see, we've stabilized the efficiency zone right here.
And there's the shift. We are fully emission neutral.
This spike in Q3 clearly demonstrates the success of the new cooling process.
Agreed. The data supports rolling this out to line 2 immediately.
The last 4 coils ran stable. Review the temperature data here.
Confirmed. How's the alignment holding up?
Steady. We're clear for handover.
Night and day, these mills operate non-stop. The glow you see is a 50-ton...
Time noted. All clear. The drill is complete.
These new sensors drastically improve the cooling accuracy.
The real-time data integration is seamless with the new coils.